In this video, I'll show you how do you connect your PowerBeats Pro with your iPhone or iPad. Okay, first step is to make sure, well, I got a message here, but first step is actually to turn on your iPhone, make sure the screen is on, bring your PowerBeats Pro, open the case, make sure they're inside, and then you should get this message. Well, if they're already paired with another device, it will say not your PowerBeats Pro. If you see this, what you can do, you can simply press this button here inside during 3 seconds until this LED light is flashing white. Okay, it's flashing, I can release that button. Now, next step is to take your iPhone and you should see appearing and the message should disappear and it should simply say PowerBeats Pro. You can go ahead, connect, and you'll be done. But what if you do not see this? Well, very easy. In this case, we need to go into the settings, the Bluetooth settings. Drag down from the top right corner of your iPhone. You see there's a Bluetooth logo there. Keep press on it. It will be here. Keep press on it once again, and then select Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then go down this list, and over here, other devices, you should see PowerBeats Pro. Click on PowerBeats Pro. Wait a few seconds and it will be added to the My Devices list. So everything will now be connected. Now what's important is once you see them connected, you see there's an eye icon here. Well, you can click on it and you'll have more details about them and you'll be able to customize them as well. Which means that, well, first you have the battery information, how much is remaining in the case, how much in them. You'll have the name that you can edit. Okay, so if I click here, I can remove the name they put in front of them. I can do anything I want. And you can also customize them over here. So you're now good to go. You can use them, watch your movie, listen to music, and this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.